Hello students, let us start to study the lesson life process. All living organisms need to perform certain activities to stay alive on regular basis. These processes we need to carry out to stay alive are called life process. We can also say the activities that an organism performs to survive are called life process. All living organisms constantly exhibit the functions of maintenance and repair in living organisms. Some examples are nutrition, respiration, circulation, excretion, etc. Nutrition. This is the process of obtaining energy through consumption of food. Respiration. The process of acquiring energy through breathing and make it available to cells for process of breaking down of organic substances into simpler compounds. Transportation. Transportation is the process by which the food and oxygen is carried from one organ to other organs in the body. Excretion. This is the process by which the metabolic waste byproducts are removed from the different organs and released out from the body. Let us study the nutrition in detail. There are two types of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. This is the process of production of food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water by green plants and blue-green algae. Here are the examples for the autotrophs. Heterotrophic nutrition. The organism take up energy from plants and animals by using them as food. These organisms completely depends on plants directly or indirectly for their nutrition. We can classify heterotrophic nutrition into three main groups: holozoic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, and saprophytic mode of nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition. In saprophytic nutrition, the organisms secrete the digestive juices on the food is digested and is absorbed by the organisms. These organisms depends on dead and decaying matter for their nutrition. Parasitic nutrition. In this type of nutrition, the organisms depends on host for its food and shelter. Holozoic nutrition. In holozoic nutrition, the organisms digest food inside the body of the organism after ingestion. Here are some examples for saprophyte, this fungi, Leishmania parasite, amoeba shows holozoic mode of nutrition. Plant nutrition. All green plants are able to synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare their food by using carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Steps of photosynthesis. In the first step, sunlight activates chlorophyll, which leads to splitting of water molecule. In the next step, the hydrogen released by splitting of water molecule is utilized for reduction of carbon dioxide to produce carbohydrates. In the first step, the plant utilizes chlorophyll and sunlight, so this is called as light dependent reaction. In the second step, in the chlorophyll, the light is not utilized, so it is also called as light independent reaction. In this reaction, oxygen is released as byproduct and carbohydrates later converts into starch and stored in the leaves. So here you can observe the process of photosynthesis. The green plants take carbon dioxide through the small pores which are present in the leaf called stomata, and the chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight, root absorbs the water, sugar is formed in the leaf, and oxygen is released as a byproduct.